Rage on that beat, going crazy.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on Muddy Beards 4x4. Today, I'm going to be replacing my smashed up, beat up body mounts with the Barnes 4-wheel drive boat side TJ body mounts. Now, any TJ guy or Jeep Wrangler guy or gal, you know that these body mounts get hung up on rocks and stuff pretty easily. They get bent and smashed and beat up, and mine are getting that way now as well. I also have a 1-inch body lift on my Jeep. I have a 1-inch motor mount lift, 1-inch body lift. One of the great things about this is you will be able to eliminate your body lift. You'll actually relocate the body mounts when you weld them to the frame up that extra inch, so you're getting that extra inch of ground clearance on top of being the slippery boat side mount that's just going to slip over the rocks. So the upgrade on this is twofold, so let's get started. So here they are. You get 4 of these larger mounts and 2 of the smaller mounts. The smaller ones are the rear because it's a little bit shorter because the frame actually widens at that location in the back here. Basically, all I got to do is top piece. I'm going to tack weld it in all 4 corners, mock it up on the frame, clean the frame up, fully weld this top piece, and then bolt it in, and then fully weld it to the frame. It's pretty straightforward, not super difficult. Comes with instructions. They're also on their website as well. I always clean up my bare metal with acetone, gets all the oil and dirt and crap off of it so you can make really nice, clean welds. So I kind of gouged the frame just a tiny bit with the plasma cutter. I wasn't quite as careful as I had hoped, so I'm going to put a little weld on there and then clean it up, and then I'll bolt the body mount to here and mark where I need to clean the frame up, and then I'll clean the frame up, and then we'll weld it all in. A couple things of note before I continue. This bolt on this one is bent. I don't know if you can see it very well. So I got a new bolt here. New bolt, and then this piece is a little bit bent. I had to clean the bottom of it off, and I kind of hit it with a hammer. I think it's going to be fine. It seems to test fit really well. I got one fully welded up. And it does say to bolt it up here, tack weld it to the frame, and then fully weld the whole thing up under here. So it means you'd have to weld these side pieces while it's like right here on the Jeep. And I don't really want to do that. So I'm just going to bench weld all of them all at one time. I tack them all together. Everything seems to fit perfectly on all of them. So I'm just going to burn all of these in first, and I'm also going to paint it ahead of time. I'm going to put a little bit of painter's tape on this edge that's going to be welded and paint it all up, and that way the only part I need to paint is just right here, a little piece of it on the frame and on this, and not the whole thing. With everything all cleaned up, painted, and ready to go, here's my tape off now. So this is the area I'm going to weld to the frame, and then I will only need to paint this one spot here and not the whole inside of this and the whole everything. Also, you're going to need a shorter bolt. In my case, I need a shorter bolt because I had a 1-inch body lift, and now the bolts are too long. So I got new bolts as well. Going to install the body mount and then mark around where I need to grind and clean up the material so I can paint it and get it prepped for welding. Then I'll pull this back off and then I'll tape it off like that, paint the inside where I will not be able to get to, and paint it later on. I could probably stick a rattle can up in there, but it's way easier just tape it off and do it that way. That one is ready to go. I can pull the tape off and weld that one on.
Stay driver, right there. Back. Stay up. Stay driver. Back faster. Right there. Come back, driver. You got the line. Go, yeah. All right, back driver, just a touch. Or actually stay where you are. Good line. Good line still, just keep it strict, keep where you're at. Gears coming down. All right, you're about to come off the ledge in the front. You got it. There you go.
Oh, hell yeah.
There you go, buddy. Good job.
It took like 5 tries, but figured out the line. Okay, guys, we got the body mounts all finished up. I'm here at Reeder Foothills ORV Park and testing them out on some rocks here. So far, I've not actually hit anything with them, which is the whole point. So overall, this is definitely an upgrade that I should have done a long time ago, and you guys should as well. Make sure you check out Barnes 4-Wheel Drive. Use the coupon code MuddyBeards to get yourself 10% off anything at Barnes 4-Wheel Drive. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the videos, Leave me some comments down below. Make sure you check out our website, muddybeards4x4.com. You can buy some t-shirts and stickers and whatnot. And if you're interested, use our Amazon button to do your Amazon shopping. It really helps support our channel as well. Until next time, we'll see you guys on the trail.